Hi my beauties. So as we all know that milk is a superfood and it is great for health, but do you know that milk is also great for the skin? As it contains retinol and vitamin D, which we will put to test using milk cubes for 7 days straight. So let's get into it. So to make the milk ice cubes, you will need a big glass to mix all the ingredients. Next, you will need some milk. I have taken about 1 cup of milk, and after that you're going to need some honey, and I'm going to take some soaked rice water. It is great for oily skin, but you can definitely skip this if you don't want to add rice water and go ahead with the other ingredients. And now we are going to mix all of our ingredients together, that is our milk, rice water and honey. And now we are going to pour the mixture into the ice tray. And now we are going to pop this into the deep freeze for about 24 hours or until they set completely. So it has been 24 hours and the milk cubes are ready. And I'm going to use the milk cube on my clean face. I have just washed my face and I'm going to rub it in circular motion, not more than 15 seconds. And just by using it on the first day, I felt an instant cooling and refreshed feeling on my face, and my pores felt so much better, and I cannot wait to use it for 7 days straight. So I'll see you on the day 2. So this is the day 2 and I can already notice that my skin has calmed down so much. I'm going to use the ice cubes in the same way that I used it yesterday. And I'm going to use 2 ice cubes today because I feel that my ice cubes are really small and I need 2 of them, so why not? Also, I would like to inform you that if you have acne prone skin, you should stay away from this milk ice cubes because milk has a lot of lactic acid and lactic acid can trigger your acne more, so you better stay away from this. With this, we are done with the second day. After the second day, I noticed an immense difference in the pores around my nose. They were looking so much more smaller. Hey guys, so this is the day 3 and I am literally loving how my skin is looking right now, and this is without even applying the milk cubes, so you can literally see the difference, right? So I can see a drastic difference in my pores. Like, I had a lot of open pores near my nose and on my forehead, but after using this, my pores have literally, I would not say shut, but they have literally shrunk in their size and they look so much more better. I will insert some selfies that I took on the day 3 to show you guys. Now welcome to the day 4. Now if you're watching until now, I'm assuming that you might have liked the video, so why don't you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And on that note, I would like to give you a pro tip, that is, you want to do this in your bathroom or in your wash basin because this procedure can get a little messy, and if you want to do it on a chair, you can have a towel on your lap and do it the way I am doing it right now. So yeah. Also, you will see a difference in your dark circles as milk and ice works great. And it is day 5 and girl, you need to see that glow. Like, I haven't even applied a single toner on my face. This is literally my bare face just after washing it. All the blackheads, all the whiteheads, all the redness is gradually going from the skin, and I can see some really positive effects on my skin. So far, it's a double thumbs up from my side. And now welcome to the day 6. I am here again with my clean face and I'm going to rub the ice cube on my face. Also, I forgot to mention that I wash my face after 20 to 30 minutes after applying this, and you can keep it as long as you want because this won't do any harm to your skin. And I wash it off and after that use my regular skincare routine. And here I'm giving myself a little massage, as a little massage won't hurt, and I'll see you tomorrow with my final verdict. It is day 7, you guys, and I still cannot get over the glow that these milk ice cubes can give you. Like, it is incredible. And the final verdict for you guys is that yes, overall I really loved the results and I really loved this trick. Like, I did not even think that this would be a success on the first place, but you see, nature surprises you and so does the natural things. Yes, I would do this before any special kind of occasion. And on the other note, I would like to tell you that this kind of gets messy and it is not the most convenient way to use your skincare. Also, I would like to tell you that if you have acne prone skin or if you have sensitive skin, you should stay away from this thing because this is definitely not the best thing for you. I got only one new acne throughout the process, and that was also because I had some raw mangoes and junk food the day before, and I know my acne gets triggered because of the junk food. Nonetheless, double thumbs up to this idea, and I would love to see if you guys try this and let me know if it helps you guys. And thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.